Hi guys, welcome back to the Ocean Nomad. So, as we left off, I was heading towards this island, and for no reason. I don't like that sound. I really don't. Okay, I recommend that we start getting out of here. So, we wander around. So we go out to these little crates. We reach inside. We say, ooh, ooh. It has nothing. That crate was a disappointment to humanity. Please have something in it, like a gun. Oh my lord. Do we go inside, peoples? I think we do. But I am so scared on so many levels. I swear, if there's like some dead body, something, I'm gonna fucking... Gun. How do I get the gun? Oh my god. Hey, let's go. So Pog, we got gun. Okay, you know what? I'm determining that there's nothing else worth in here. So guys, yeah, so welcome back again. I'm sorry for the music in the background, but my father's doing what he's doing, and I really can't stop him, so... But hold on. How do I equip this? Use. I have a fucking gun, bro. I want to bet that there's ammo in there, even though I'm not ever going to go back for it. Oh, okay, we need copper and things. Hey, but I got a gun. Okay, now how do I get home? Back to the raft thing. Okay, great. I'm sure. Where is my raft, bro? Please have ammo, shells. That was just super poggers. I know, very, very, very poggers. Okay, guys, so we are going to try. Well, I would really like to chug with you. Chug that dog. Out of my head, gonna have bad lunch. Put you out of my head. La 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 la. Out of my head. Yes, go home, yes. Aww. I was hoping I could make a friend, bro. Bro, that'd be super poggers. Oh, yes. Guys, scream it out into the world. This is very pog. Just scream it. Scream it like there's no consequences in the entire world. Just start screaming. Very, very, very pog. Oh, come on. No. Come on. No. Pog! Oh, yeah. So, yeah, guys, we're just, basically just, welcome back. Come on. Come on, let's pog this. Guys, if you think we can survive, yell poggers. Right now, subscribe. Yell poggers and subscribe if you think we can survive on this raft. Think about it, we already got a gun, bro. How can we not survive on this raft? Oh, crap. Oh. You guys see how easy this man is? It's not even not even remotely a threat. Halo is harder, bro. Anchovy. Great, bro. I don't understand how you just create an anchovy. Bro, you can't just create life. I mean, unless you have a lab, you can't just create life, bro. Supply creep, supply creep. Poggers, poggers. Poggers. So you guys just love garbage floating in the ocean. I'm sure this guy does, bro. But if you think about it, this guy, the one reason why he is surviving is because there was enough trash in the ocean. And he had a fish hook, luckily, and survived enough that he could regain consciousness. It's like the 1 in 10 billion chances, bro. Like, it's actually kind of stupid, not gonna lie. Like the odds are so against his favor, it's like unreal. No, I don't care. Probably should care more, but for now I'm gonna put my gun in this chest because, you know, it's gun, bro. It's gun. It's pog. Gun is like so pog that it's just like not even. It's not even compared. It can't even be compared in the pogginess, bro. Like, look at this. It's gun, bro, and it looks sick. Yeah, bro, so like, there's no point. But why would you give a person a gun without bullets? I understand that probably if I looked around hard enough, I could find bullets like that. Oh, man, I'm not killing him. Oh. I'm not going to take it. Why is it called a fucking suitcase, bro? I mean, don't you feel like, bro, go up, go up. Don't you think it's kind of stupid to call it a suitcase? Like, what? Who in the right mind calls that a suitcase? Plastic? No, it's cloth. Bro, where's my beauty plastic, bro? I need it. It's essential to my survival. Again, I'm not complaining. Okay, bro. I'm gonna make a window. Because it could be like windows here, bro. Ooga booga, we have window. Wait, can I fish out the window? I can. Okay, why would you ever have walls like in an instance, this is a fishing game. Why would you have walls and not window walls? Like, is it just me or is that kind of stupid not to have windows? Pretty sure it's even cheaper. Again, poggers. So I have level 1, level 2, and level what, like 5? Ooh, yeet, I want that. Oh, and by the way, you can just call me Dub Daddy. Guys. Okay, well, I make an appropriate joke. Now I want 10,000 views. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me or you'll be up for adoption. Dang, get dumbed, bro. Yeah, guys, if you don't subscribe in the next 2 seconds, you'll be up for adoption. Okay, because you would be a disappointment to humanity. And if you don't go up for adoption, then you'll be immediately arrested. So you just click a little button, and nothing bad will ever happen. Or, in this sense, I'm never the bad guy. That's something that no one ever seems to get. I'm never, ever the bad guy. Ever. I've proven facts and of course the law, bro. Bro, it's law now. Wait. Can I just like... Oh my god, that's so stupid, bro. What in God's name, bro? Guys, should we get more of that loot? That sick loot, bro. Did I ask? Bro, where's my loot? Bro. God gamer, like, am I right? Yeah, bro. I just, yeah, that was all pure skill to get that another chest, bro. You know what said I had too many chests? I think this game's dog crap. Never. I just care about the views. I don't even care about the content, bro. It's all about the views. There's nothing I want more in life than the YouTube views. Because without the views, I'm nobody. Just a person recording millions of the universe, begging for views on YouTube. That's all I'd ever do. But you guys have the power to change that by giving me their views. Is that an engine? That's an engine. That's an engine! Odor. Plus metal. I could have never done it, bro. Assuming there is. Anchor? Toner? Nope. I must be really poor. Can I craft that? That's not Pog that I can't craft it. Arrow, I can make that. And I don't know how to get string. Damn it! Okay. Furnace. What do I need for a furnace? I need more of that metal stuff. I don't know how to get more of that metal stuff, so I'm just gonna keep fishing until I get more of the metal. Yeah, guys, and if you ever found my skills, don't plan on waking up, because not that you're going to. Nice. So that's very, very cool. But if you give me money, like One first subscriber will become a very, very good friend, and I might even need you in videos. So first a sub. But get your shark booty hole. Bro, right? Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Oh, you never escape me. Oh, see, I'm inevitable. So yeah, guys, we are surviving. And just, if you guys just didn't know, I lived on a boat for 7 years. So that is why that's why I love Subnautica, I love Raft, I love all of that, those types of games, because it reminds me of my previous life, or like, my old home. It was very hungry. So guys, this game is about expansion, and hopefully I want to make a raft so big that it starts lagging. It's like my main goal. In fact, wait, what did I do? Okay, no, enter. No, dang it. In fact, what I am going to do is I'm going to start a massive, like, I don't know, like, I'm just going to make it, and then right here, I'm going to decide right here is where I am going to start, right here, I'm going to start this, like, fishing spot, I guess. I wonder what chunk is used for. I wish there was some type of more, like, I guess crafting menu. Like, you know how Minecraft has these, like, crafting tables and I wish there was more like that. But don't we all wish every game was just Minecraft? Like, every game ever made. What's it called? Minecraft. Okay, so it is from this chest that you get the metal plates. I understand now. Because we're gonna make a furnace. Once we make the furnace, that's where we're gonna end today's video. I'm probably gonna end it before then. But that doesn't matter. Stop hitting the map, bro. Bro. Building up here. Poggers. And, oh yeah. Okay, but in all honesty, we are going to have to start getting more food. And I am going to have to start learning, like, or not learning, but like starting to notice. What does it mean by that? What does it mean? Has it been saying that like forever and I just haven't realized? I always think, oh wow, those YouTubers, why do they not understand? There's like this or that or whatever right there. How can you not understand? But then like once you're actually doing it, like you start getting really, really much in like the zone. And I am getting better. if you don't know, this compared to my first video is a lot better. It takes lots of practice and just getting used to. Rope! Dad, rope! Poggers! Now we can start making weapons and things. Yeah, so you see, I want to make this very, very, very big grass. Like, and I'm not talking about just in that dimension. I'm talking about, like, in all directions. Like, if it's gonna be something where I'm gonna do this a lot on my channel, and I'm gonna make it nice. I'm not gonna make it no, like, no crappy thing that it looks like I spent 2 minutes on. No, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be like, survival series. It's gonna become a nice thing. Because currently, besides Among Us, April Fools, this is my second most viewed video, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, why not? Because of course I'm gonna make more of these videos because it got me the most views. So it would be really, really stupid of me not to make more of these videos. I don't know, just create. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, then we'll go over here, huh? Do this. Take. Create. Take. My inventory is full. How? I don't know. I want to start creating stuff. Hold on, guys. Poggers. No, I don't roll them. Wait, can I make like these really nice things? There's snag. Oh, I got more snags than the last night, bro. Staying alive. Wait, so my hook only does 6 damage. Yeah, it's fairly effective against the shark. And I have a gun that once I get a single bullet, so basically once I get a single bullet, I can just pop a lead into the shark. Like there's no tomorrow. Things will be fairly easy. So the shark is actually wimpy. What was that? I need it in my life. No, please. What happened? Give me now. Oh. Bro, like... Bro, the gun, guys, the gun... Very poggers. Okay, just because, guys... wait, where is it? We're gonna make ourselves all thatch gear. different boots because, you know, we already have different boots that are better than that. You know what? It's because we're just Sigma, bro. We're Sigma. Ooh, an axe. Ugh. Guys, an axe. An axe or a pickaxe. Are we gonna go Minecraft with this or not? Because if we are, then, like, you know what, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Because, are we gonna go? Wait, did it attack me? Bro. Glitch much? Like, oh crap. Okay, it did. It just a glitch. Just a glitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I always like when life is just super poggers. Okay, wait. What happened to my little chest? My chest. Come with me, wood. Back over here. Very important. You're going right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Wait, guys, I'm pretty sure that we can craft the, whatchamacallit? Wait, where is it? Or production. It would be in production. Furnace. We need 8 thatch, so we have a bunch of thatch, bro. What? Oh, because we made, okay. We need a little bit more thatch, and everything will be okay. Guys, we can do this, bro. Okay, we need one more thatch, one more dude from the movie Atlantis. Come on, bro. Come on. Pog. Will you shut up? Okay, guys. So, I am pretty sure this is where it ends. I don't end it. Cool. How do I get coal? Create. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Today. I'm gonna post some more today. I'm just gonna post several times, like every weekend at least, several times, many times a week. So yay, poggers. We're just hooray. I'll see you all next time.